Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to reset or clear data usage in your Windows system, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. The procedure is simple. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the Run window. In the Run field, copy and paste the File Explorer path mentioned in the article. Right-click on that path and select Copy. Now, right-click in the Run field and select Paste. Hit Enter to reach the folder. If it prompts for administrator access, please click on Continue. Select all the files in this folder and hit the Delete key to delete these files. This will reset or clear all the data usage on your system. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.